fellow mover. Have you ever had a dream that was so big and so important to you that you were willing to risk everything in order to attain that dream someday? Did you ever get to that point in your life where it was time to go for it now or never? Well, I'm about to share with you a story about that crucial moment in my life. But first, some background. Back in the 80s, when I was a little girl growing up in Toronto, Canada, I had a dream. My dream was to inspire others to move, get strong, and get fit from beautiful tropical locations. But as I matured and gained wisdom, I learned that I had to hone my skills first. So I was off to university, where I graduated with my bachelor's degree in physical and health education. And 3 days later, I left Canada with only 2 boxes and $200 to my name, embarking on a journey to the land of opportunity, New York City. Through sheer hard work and unwavering determination, I built a thriving personal training practice. And I earned a master's degree in exercise science and rehabilitation by the age of 34. However, despite my professional success in New York City, the concrete jungle was wearing me down and killing my soul. So at the age of 43, I took a massive leap of faith and sought solace in Costa Rica, vowing to dedicate myself fully for the next 6 months. Unfortunately, things didn't unfold as I had hoped, and I had to return to New York City after those 6 months with my tail between my legs and feeling defeated. However, my story was far from over, and I refused to give up. 2 years later, in March 2020, I returned to Costa Rica for a 4-week vacation. Suddenly, out of nowhere, the world was turned upside down, and it was my make or break moment. In that moment, I had to make a critical decision. Do I return to everything I know that is safe, my apartment, my friends, my clients in the US? Or do I put my faith in the universe and attempt my final escape from New York City for the life I had been dreaming about for decades? In that moment, I could have either succumbed to fear of the unknown, or I could summon the strength within me to rise to the occasion and find a way to break free and triumph. Thankfully, I chose the latter. But my fight was not yet over. At first, I was cruising by with all my New York clients working faithfully with me online as I pursued my dreams in Costa Rica. But over the years, those clients have dwindled, and finding ways to reach people and work with clients from Costa Rica is a whole new ballgame. It was starting to look as though my escape from New York City was not final after all. Fear of having to leave the peace and natural beauty of Costa Rica for a life back in the rat race kept me up at night and plagued me with worry. But then something finally shifted. I started to see new ways to work and new ways to make connections. I started reaching people both online and in the local communities. And slowly but surely, I started to find my tribe. And now I'm offering multiple ways to work with me. And I'm so grateful for the connections that are being formed and for the positivity that is being shared. For example, right now I have a free mini challenge available for a limited time. Join my challenge if you would like to unlock the secret daily practice that will boost your timeless health and vitality. You can sign up for that mini challenge using the link in the descriptions box below. Now, here's a new client and friend. This is Carla. I met her on the beach. On this one particular day, Carla and her friends were watching me do my thing, do my practice. so I invited them to give it a try with me. And here's a little bit of what transpired on that day. Since then, Carla has joined my 6-week Body Love Movement Challenge. So she has been moving with me online and learning the fundamentals of a natural movement practice from the associated online course. My next 6-week challenge will kick off on July 8th. So if you might be interested in that, drop me a message at info@lisachavez.com and I'll add you to the wait list. Now, here are a few words from my friend Carla about our movement classes together.
Love everything that you offer. Just, it's amazing. And, there's no time like the present to start getting stronger, more flexible. Really, I've tried to do it on my own unsuccessfully. And I think your approach really resonates with me.
And here are a few words from another friend and client that I've made on the beach, Megan.
Lisa, you are in a class of your own. I have taken so many yoga classes and other exercise classes. Nothing compares to the amount of novelty, fun, playfulness, and just incredible time that I feel every time I do your class on the beach. Thank you. I love rolling around on the sand with you. I love your contagious energy. For anyone that is looking for something novel and different, Lisa's class, it's just where it's at. I love you, Lisa. Bye.
That makes me feel so good. Thankfully, these days, I share my passion for movement with others, helping them forge a profound connection between their bodies and minds, from the pristine beaches of Costa Rica. I sometimes have to pinch myself when I think of the life and career I have created for myself. And I share this story with you not to boast, but to hopefully inspire you to go after your dreams, no matter how outlandish they may be. I mean, I've created a career where I roll around in the sand with other cool people, and it's a really positive thing. Who would have guessed? All right, my friends, that's my story. Thanks for listening to it. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you've moved your body, connected with your body. And if you're interested in a mini challenge with me, don't forget you can find the link in the descriptions box below. All right, have a great day and keep moving naturally for life.